Hey guys, I have sad news. Remember that video I posted about an alive cicada? The only alive cicada? Well, I'm sorry guys. It's dead. It's dead. I'm gonna give it, well, quote unquote, well, let's check if it's dead. Because it was like alive 3 days ago. I'm super sad that it's dead. There it is. Still there. Is it dead? Yep, guys. It's dead. We're gonna give this guy a burial very quickly. His body should be safe. Okay, where should I bury this guy? Over here, over here. Okay. Cicada, we gonna miss you. But yeah, that's all. Yeah, but that's all for today. The only cicada left died like 1 day ago. Yeah, yesterday. Yeah, that was sad. By the way, guys, that's all. Goodbye.